Meet Trafft Chatbot, an interactive tool for booking appointments that adds a fun touch while improving your operational efficiency. Our latest update enables you to engage potential customers and provide a superb customer experience that can scale your business over time. Stay ahead in delivering exceptional, customer-focused service by activating the Trafft Chatbot custom feature on your booking website. Here's how easy it is to do it. Navigate to the Features and Integrations page, enable the Chatbot feature, and then click Setup. Enabling this option will instantly integrate the chatbot into your Trafft booking form, making it accessible to your clients for scheduling appointments through the chatbot interface. Name your chatbot and customize its appearance by selecting the preferred color for the text and buttons used in the chat conversation. Select either a light or dark theme for the background of your chat interface, and finally, upload an avatar for your chatbot. Next, set the number of time slot options that will be offered to your customers during the chat. Choose if you want the proposed time slots to be shown as text or buttons. If you're utilizing an iframe or wish to integrate the Trafft chatbot on your website instead of displaying it on your booking page, you can copy and paste this code just before the tag on your web page. In the Customize Messages section, you can customize sentences chatbot will use in conversation. The welcome message will be displayed instantly when a chat is opened. Unless you change it, our default example message will be shown by default. Clients will get the unclear message in case chatbot does not understand the question or needs rephrasing. Finally, the Booking Approved Success message will be displayed to your customers when they successfully book an appointment. You can personalize it using placeholders or include any other message you want them to see. Are you ready to elevate your customer experience? Take the leap and activate the Trafft Chatbot custom feature on your booking website today.